suddenly close.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it.
Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven, white van, multiple military-age males, weapons visible, moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, Adam! They're here! Come here! Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze! Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Right now! Not gonna tell you again!
Suspect.
Gun! Brookston, they fucking got him!
What the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down there now.
Let's move.
Get by! You hit the shield! Which way? Roger!
Follow me.
You saved my life, man.
Just stay down. Stay. Yeah, get these people safe.
Yes, sir!
All units, attack is underway at Piccadilly Circus. Also, I see one unit on site. They're firing on civilians! Not died within a bookshop! Guys! Second floor! Second floor of the bookshop! All units, sniper fire! Sniper fire from the bookshop south of the main circle.
This is Saber 2. Bookshop secure.
Get fire! Get fire! All units! Suspects are cornered in the Tanto building. There's a possible hostage situation. Hold the perimeter. Urgent assistance! Stop fire! Stop your casualty! They're going to leave all suspects closing officer! Get the vicinity!
Raven, this is Saber 2. Where's the bomb army?
2-6, Army assault team has been deployed. No ETA is in time.
Let's move.
Listen to Harry!
Here, automatic weapons! Needing focus now! Alpha Whiskey 1609 over! Unit corners! Hold back! Hold back!
They're holed up in the Tanto building!
Secondary detonation in the cabin!
They're flying fire! Fucking hell!
Are you good?
Yeah!
Existing RV, stay firm. I'd like an additional RV set up north of Oxford Circus. Trojan 99. We have one unit in the two existing RVs at Charing Cross Road and the Swiss Centre and one in the vicinity north of Oxford Circus. Secondary detonation! Secondary detonation in the cabin! Bomb them! Shoot me! I'm on the horse! Copy, Sergeant. Suspects are retreating into the Tanto building.
Raven, Saber 2. Officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down.
Bloody hell! Fucking hell! There's pieces everywhere! What is the status on the hostages?
I have to get in the building. Stand by.
Alpha Whiskey 2 from Trojan 99, all received. 990!
Blue! Blue!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me? Check those corners.
Help us!
Hostages, up top.
Up here!
Please help!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them! I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I want to go home. I want to see my family. I want to see... Can you help?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off. I can't get it.
No time! Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical, we're coming out. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.